Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make any opened Android apps to be floating and resizable. So if you want to multitask like a pro on your Android device, in here I'm going to show you how you can make any open app float and resize for ultimate productivity. So in here, through this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable the floating window mode. And first, so what you need to do in here, okay, so I'm going to show you, let's say I want to make this float. As you guys can see, my current settings, I cannot make this float the recent apps that I open, and I'm going to make it float. So what you need to do in here is just go to your phone settings, and then you can just scroll down until you find the about phone options, and then scroll down again, go to the software information, and in here you'll see the build number, so you can just tap on it 7 times until the developer options is enabled. Okay, now you need to confirm your identity by entering your password or a pattern like this. Okay, so to enter the developer mode or developer options, you can just go back and find the system settings, this one, click on it, and scroll down until you find developer options. Tap on it, and as you guys can see, now the developer options is on. So next, what you need to do is scroll down until you find the force activities to be resizable options. Okay, this one's right here under the standby apps. Here you'll see the force activities to be resizable, so you need to enable it so that you can make all activities resizable for multi-window regardless of manifest values. And the next one, you need to also enable this one, enable freeform windows, so it will support for experimental freeform windows. Enable it. And now what you need to do, as you guys can see, a reboot is required to enable freeform support. So what you need to do now is just reboot or restart your phone, and once it's back on, the freeform will be enabled, so you can resize and also make any apps float. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.